Whoa, 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 whoa. Huh. Whoa. I can't believe this is actually happening. Like, Criss Angel has been my idol for years, but I'm gonna outdo him. You know, it's actually really hard to levitate. Because if you break your concentration from levitating, like one time I was playing the guitar, and wait, I gotta stay on track. See if I can do any tricks. No. Alright, anyway, what was I saying? One time I was playing the guitar, and I tried to hit these notes on the guitar. Whoa! That's what happens. Ow!